In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on a Facebook business page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and what requirements you need to meet before you can start streaming to your audience. First, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head over to Meta Business Suite. The easiest way is to open a new tab in your browser and search for Meta Business Suite, then click the official link. This is Facebook's central hub for managing your business pages, messages, posts, and of course, your live videos. When Meta Business Suite loads, you should see your business assets, including your business page. If you manage more than one page, double check that the correct page is selected before moving on, so you don't accidentally go live from the wrong place. From the main dashboard in Meta Business Suite, look toward the navigation options. You'll see several tabs and menus, and among them there will be a drop-down labeled More. Go ahead and click on the More drop-down. This menu contains additional tools and features that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Inside that drop-down, you'll find an option that says Go Live. Click on Go Live to start setting up your live stream. This will open the live video interface, where you would normally configure things like your camera, microphone, and the description of your live video, as well as choose whether you're streaming now or scheduling for later. However, before Facebook actually allows you to go live from your business page, your profile has to meet some basic eligibility requirements. Specifically, your profile needs to be at least 60 days old, and you must have at least 100 followers. These rules are in place to reduce spam and make sure that live streaming is used by established accounts. If you don't meet these requirements yet, you'll see a notice telling you that your profile isn't eligible to go live. In that case, focus on growing your presence first. Consistently post valuable content, invite your friends and customers to follow your page, and engage with comments and messages. As your followers grow and your account ages past the 60-day mark, you'll automatically become eligible. Once you meet those requirements, you'll be able to return to Meta Business Suite, click More, then go live, and proceed with your broadcast setup as normal. And that's the full process of how to go live on your Facebook business page.